Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back on another one. So today we're at the BlackSmith Arms. We're at the BlackSmith Arms in Marchington. So we're going to have a look in here guys. We'll pull out the video and see you in there. See you in there. We're in guys, we're in. Let's have a look in here. The good old BlackSmith Arms. How's it going? We're back on another one. We're back on another one. How's the flat? Yeah, we're back in the BlackSmith Arms, guys. Been a while since I've been in here as well. 2024 edition. Let's have you. Let's have you. Let's see if they're getting in. Oh, we're in. We're here. Hello.
Hello.
We're back in the building. On another one. Oh, upstairs. Bloody hell. No, but there's upstairs there. Whoosh. Whoosh. They're too small for me in here. Ooh.
What's awful lot, mate?
Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, you can keep that. That's
Deep falling down that.
Deep?
To be honest, you know when I come in this room then I got a bit of a vibe.
Did you?
Yeah. Oh.
Ah, hello. Flat screen tally there.
Oh wow, someone's been having a good time.
Bloody hell. Been snowing.
It's Christmas. There's the sticker
Oh,
board.
there's a sticker board with that.
We've got to do it.
I haven't got mine with me.
Oh no.
I'd have a pint of Carling, please mate. Early doors, Monday to Friday.
Good when there's a little board for everyone.
Yeah.
Don't think many have been there, have they?
Lost and Found. Peaky Explorers. I haven't seen that one before. Hinge and Bracket Explorers.
Oh yeah.
Have you?
Yeah, I'm sure you must have.
Hinge and Bracket. Ooh. Someone's had a right go in here. Yeah. Yeah, someone smashed all the bottles off the rack. That's crazy. Kitchen. Glass everywhere. Just a little video, guys. BlackSmith Arms pub. Happy days. What's that say? Lounge and restaurant. Oh.
Oh, Mr. Airball's been here.
Oh, does he?
There's Kurt behind the bar.
Really?
It's your typical bar. That's vinegar.
Vim. No, I was wondering what that. I think it is, isn't it? Someone with a bald head.
Tinfoil hat.
Turn it. It is.
There you Hey, this bar special, you can get Starbucks, eh?
Bloody hell. How much of them in a black place like this? So look at behind bar. This is where they were doing that paranormal thing. He was standing here, Simon was. Remember that shot?
Well, there's your coffees. Americano, £2.
Oh yeah.
Talking about fish and chips.
Behind the bar, guys. Oh yeah, Mr. Airborne. No way.
2 meals for
It's the first time I found one of them. Urban Scots. That's cool, that. Whiskey, rum, gin and whiskey, vodka sold from assuming the premises. Oh. Oh. That's mental, though. We'll have that. Nice one. Put that on sticker board. First one I found of the man himself, so why not? That one's mine. Them around the other side then. Around back that way.
Yeah, then the top. Is there the toilet for water? Yeah. Oh, we've got it.
Oh.
No, it's going to be bad.
Oh, let's have a look. Ooh, not that bad actually.
Usually the worst places, aren't they?
No, pretty sound.
It's been out for a while, look at the cobwebs.
There's more cobwebs than
Yeah. More cobwebs than
a cobman.
than a monkey's.
Monkey's new.
Goes back to the start.
Oh yeah. Private, this is it here, isn't it? What's this? Oh, the Sally. Oh, let's have a look in Sally. Ah. Oh. Oh. Pedigree. There's the bottle there, the barrel. Putty uppers. Strongbow. Foster's. Obviously where they brought the stuff in. Here's the stairs here somewhere, so I can remember. Here's the stairs here.
Oh, I've seen that anyways. It's a bit dodgy this.
It's a bit on the slant, isn't it?
Yeah.
They are.
Oh, that's a good TV.
Bog.
Right.
They are, it's an Evidon.
These lights aren't good for us.
I know, yeah. Bloody hell.
Oh, this is dodgy this.
It's on the slant, isn't it? Bad.
It's been at the bar.
What's this? Just the
Is that leaves or moths? Leaves.
moths, isn't it? Aye, yeah, it is, yeah.
Moths, yeah. Oh, fucking loads.
Loads of them as well. Oh, what's this?
Where is that roof?
Oh, yeah, there is. Ooh. Is that a little cubby hole? Stashy? Grow on?
Quite big actually.
They are. Yeah, grow on in there. The old table. Book table. Pepsi diet. Let's have a look at these moths. Oh, they are as well. Oh shit, they are massive ones as well.
He's going to set them
Big ones. Stuff that. It's a little video, isn't it?
It's a pub, innit?
The pub bar.
You know, it's Christmas all over my feet.
I know, I'll have to get these off before we get in the car.
Oh shit. That's that, innit?
Yeah. I think that is that.
You know what?
Just one more shot.
The toilet that we're using at home is full of cobwebs.
Yeah.
That's a shame.
Let's have a look through, guys. Cool. Cool place. Cool. Pale ale. Cappuccinos. Right. You've seen it. I've done it. Now it's time to get the flock out of here. Happy days. Oh.
You filming? Oh, I stopped it, didn't I? Oh, if that barrel went then, I wouldn't have.
I know, I didn't trust that barrel.
Got like loads of stuff in these pockets. I don't want to lose. Oh. That barrel is a bit I don't trust it, but I'm on it. I don't trust it, but I'm on it. Happy days. So I'll look round the front now. Bosh. Bosh. Bosh a wash. Just no rent in. Or no.
That way.
This way around. Boo! Boo! Oh! It's worth a little look.
Yeah. Just.
Well, no, mate.
Is what it is.
Here's what it is. Short and sweet. It's just been a tap. Tapped. Hey. Hey.
Overgrown.
Ah, that farm I was on about, we drove past that on the way here, and there's diggers and shit on the drive.
The house?
Yeah, the big digger outside of it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I was saying, but the digger looks overgrown, doesn't it?
I don't know. I couldn't really look. Oh. That's all brighten it up.
The BlackSmith arms.
It is.
Books for days.